First at 4, we're on the lookout for possible flooding and even a tornado. There's a severe weather threat across the area.
Good afternoon. I'm Anthony Ponce.
And I'm Natalie Baumke. A flood watch is in effect for the Chicagoland area and counties north of the city. Let's take a live look at downtown and also outside our Michigan Avenue window. And you see, obviously, the raindrops on the camera lens.
Yeah, it's wet afternoon. Let's take a live look out at the roads as well. They seem to be running smoothly on the Dan Ryan, but look at those clouds right above the skyline.
And there's a chance of severe weather with torrential rain and damaging winds. We have team coverage tonight, beginning with Chief Meteorologist Emily Walls.
Hey, that's right. We are dealing with some rain across the area right now, some thunder and lightning too. We had some really heavy and persistent rain just a few hours ago. Right now, the heaviest stuff seems to be coming down in northwest Indiana, stretching from Porter County back into Lake County. You can see from places like Burns Harbor back toward Portage, over into Hobart, and then down toward Merrillville, just on the east side of that. That's where we're seeing some really heavy rain coming down. Zooming things further off toward the west, this is something that we're keeping a close eye on. So there's a line of severe thunderstorms in northwestern Illinois. This activity is going to be taking off toward the northeast, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, some hail going to be possible with this, and it looks like it's going to be heading toward the west side of DeKalb County in about an hour and a half. Futurecast, notice how we start to keep those heavy downpours around all the way through the evening. This is 8 p.m. and we're still going to be dealing with that. So flooding is going to be a really big concern. Here to tell us more about that is Caitlin Cody.
And we do have that flood watch in effect, Emily, all the way through midnight tonight. So this includes Cook County, stretching out through DuPage County, Kane County, Lake, McHenry County, Kenosha County, with this flood watch because of the heavy downpours that we have had and the additional rainfall that we will still see over the next couple of hours and even overnight tonight. As far as how much rain we have had this afternoon, 24-hour rainfall estimated totals here, seeing around 1 to 1.2 from Chicago, stretching through Cook County. But take a look to our northwest. Some of us up to 2 inches of rainfall already. Northwest Indiana, a little less, but we do have those heavy downpours moving through now from Lake to Porter County. Before all is said and done, it's not out of the question that a few isolated locations see 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Generally, especially I-80 locations north, up to an inch, maybe an inch and a half of rain. So heavy rain is definitely a concern through this evening, along with that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms.
And I'm Casey Cronus, live in Cicero, where there is concern that this afternoon's rain may cause similar issues to what residents here experienced last month when basements flooded and some homeowners experienced severe damage to their properties. With a flood watch in effect, the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago has issued an overflow action alert this morning. They are asking for residents to conserve water by helping to prevent sewers from backing up. Tips include delaying showers and baths and holding off on running your dishwasher and washing machine. We will continue to monitor the situation here in Cicero, but as you can see, no standing water in the streets just yet. Again, we will continue to monitor what's happening here in the field. Back to you.